Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. OHS class 7th subject science topics on transportation plants and animals. How transportation takes place in plants and animals. Godly and the transportation movement of material from one part to another. Usually region from availability to region of use one ways. Transportation occurs in all organisms from microorganisms one is large size of trees and animals. In case of plants, there is system of independent kin channels while animals transport in the broad about by the circulatory system. Animal में in circle by circulatory system, plant में by through channel. अगर वुचो transportation material in plants वुचो यह water absorbed from soil through the root system has to move upwards to the other parts. Food synthesized in the leaves to the carried to the other parts. Transportation in unicellular and simple multicellular plants. Or unicellular diffusion is a major method by which transportation of material occurs in unicellular. Or like super Cyprogaya, Gelimodamus, in simple salad. Diffusion is the movement of the particle from the higher concentration to the lower concentration until they are separate over eventually. For the transport in the higher plant conduction, plant type as well as development transport system and vascular system on a shaft. Which vascular system consists of 5 lakhs vessels arranged from the tips of the roots and the tips of the leaves passing through the system. The system consists of two types of cells commonly known as vessels. These are called xylem vessels and phloem vessels. Xylem transport water and the dissolved materials upwards from the root. Evaporation of water from the leaves during transport produces a pulling force causing xylem. This is root के जरिए root of the minerals खाला. Phloem carrying food procured by the leaves downwards to the other parts of the plant. In plants, however, the materials made in the roots is transported by the phloem upwards in the leaves. For example, in the tobacco plant, nicotine and made of the roots and transport upwards the phloem of the leaf. Transportation of water and minerals in plants. Upward movement of water and minerals occurs through the fiber-like structure is called xylem. Element present in the root system, leaves, and the plant absorb water and minerals from soil with the help of the xylem and through upwards by the xylem. And the food which is prepared by the process of photosynthesis in the roots in the leaves is pushed downwards by the vessel is called phloem.